We told you, Sky. Oh, it doesn't stop. It never stops. It tastes like strawberries. Hey, Paw Patrol pups. Oh, hey, Catboy. We challenge you to a gumball machine game. How does it work? We'll turn the knob, and whoever gets the most colors that match their own colors will win the game. Oh, that sounds fun. And do we get to eat those gumballs too? Sure, Rubble. Let's check out this super big gumball machine. Oh my goodness, it's so large. Wow, and look at the way that it swirls around to let the gumballs out. It says, "Try me." It has lights and music. All right, let's give it a turn. Whoa, look at it light up. That is so cool. And it plays music. Let's go ahead and get this gumball machine out. All right, we've got our gumball machine out. It's so neat. I think we're ready to put some gumballs in it. These are the ones that came with it, but in case we need more, we've got a whole box. Let's get them put in.
I'll help you with that.
Yep.
You have a Target.com login?
Yeah, I think so.
Come on, somebody chat with me.
Okay, let's open up the top. Let's use a funnel to put all the gumballs inside. Here we go. Hey, that's not enough. We're gonna need some more gumballs. All right, let's open up our gumball refill box and fill up our machine. In they go. Oh yeah, that looks a lot better. Now let's put the top back on. Let's try it out and see if it works. Orange! Let's keep going and see if we can get one of every color. Red. Pink. Pink. Yellow. Purple. Yellow. White. Green. We did it! We got all the colors! Now it's time to play our gumball game. I'm gonna turn the knob so that 10 gumballs come out. And whichever ones match each of our character, that will go in their points. The blue gumballs are for Catboy, red is for Owlette, green is for Gecko, yellow gumballs for Rubble, orange for Zuma, and pink for Sky. Are you gonna be on Team PJ Masks or Team Paw Patrol? Let me know in the comment section. All right, let's turn it till we get 10 gumballs out. White, pink, blue. Now it's yellow. Another white. A purple. Another purple. Pink. Green. Orange. That's 10 gumballs. I've got 2 cups here, one for Team PJ Masks and one for Team Paw Patrol. Let's get our gumballs out. The first one we have is a pink one for Sky. Now we have blue for Catboy. Here's a yellow, that's for Rubble. Nobody's white, so we'll set that aside. Nobody's purple either. Okay, here we have a pink for Sky, a green for Gecko, and an orange for Zuma. Let's count how many gumballs each team has. Here's the Team PJ Masks. They have 1, 2 gumballs. Now, Paw Patrol. They have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 gumballs means that Team Paw Patrol wins. Yay, great job, guys.
Yay! Woo!
Excuse me, could we play against you, Team Paw Patrol? Oh, sure. Let's start getting the gumballs out. All right, Max will be blue gumballs because he has a blue collar. Snowball will look for white gumballs, and Chloe will look for purple gumballs. Team Paw Patrol will stay the same colors they were before. Are you going to be Team Secret Life of Pets or Team Paw Patrol? Let me know in the comment section. All right, I'm going to get 10 gumballs out and we'll see who our winner is. Green, pink, yellow, blue, green, yellow, purple, red, yellow, and pink. Now it's time to get our gumballs out and see who our winner will be. Nobody here is green, so we'll set that aside. Pink for Sky, yellow for Rubble, blue for Max. Nobody's green again. Yellow for Rubble, purple for Chloe. Nobody's red either. Yellow for Rubble, and pink for Sky. Let's count up how many gumballs Team Secret Life of Pets got. 1, 2. 2 gumballs. Let's see how many gumballs Team Paw Patrol got. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 gumballs means Team Paw Patrol wins again. Great job!
Yay! Woo!
Does that mean we get to eat all the gumballs? Well, sure, Sky, but not too many, okay? Okay. Oh, look at all these pink gumballs. They're my favorite. Sky, be careful. You're gonna get sick. No, I'm not. No, I'm not. Oh, no, Rubble. I think you were right. Ugh, yuck. Ugh, this doesn't feel good. We told you, Sky. Oh, it doesn't stop. It never stops. It tastes like strawberries. Sky, we just want to say congratulations on winning. Oh, thank you. Hey, what is going on here? Oh, gross. Somebody stop her. Sorry, Snowball. I ate too many pink gumballs. Yeah, I can see that. Well, guys, that's it for this video. Our Team Paw Patrol sure did a good job of beating everybody, Team PJ Masks and Team Secret Life of Pets. But Sky sure did make herself sick getting too many gumballs. Do you remember what color gumballs Max was hoping for? If you do, be sure to leave your answer in the comment section. And if you'd like to see more fun with gumball machines, be sure to like and subscribe. And until next time, bye! Thanks for watching this episode of the Sparkle Spice channel. Give the video a thumbs up if you liked it, and subscribe if you're new. Also, make sure to come back for more fun videos. Thanks for commenting, and I'll see you in the next one. I feel so sick. Oh, Gecko, no! Gecko, Owlette, quick, let's run from Romeo. Come this way. Whoa, what are these colorful things? They look like gumball machines. Whoa, our PJ Masks heroes are